Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of Bank Muscat, which you will need for sending or receiving the international payments safely and without any delay. So first of all, you need to come here on the official website of bankmuscat.com. Over here you will find a bunch of different options here on the home page. Now, among these options, you can either click on the option of contact us here on the bottom, or you can just directly use the search bar here on the top and search for Swift code. Now, once you search for Swift code, you will find a bunch of different articles relating to this query. So you can click on any of the articles and see if there is any information about the Swift code available. Now, if this method doesn't work for you, you can just simply open a new tab and you can just simply search for bank.codes/Swift code search. Once you are over here, you will have to first of all select your country. After that, you need to select your bank. Then you need to select your city. And now it is going to show you all of the Swift codes that you can use to make the international transactions. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.